Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook dating something went wrong, clear cache, app reset and login fix. Fix 1. Turn off VPNs. First of all, open your phone settings, then tap VPN or network and internet. Turn the VPN switch off. Fix 2. Clear the Facebook app cache. For Android users, open your phone setting, then tap apps or apps and notification. Then select Facebook from the list and tap on storage and cache. Then tap clear cache. Then force stop. For iPhone users, open your iPhone setting. Then tap general. Then tap on iPhone storage. Find and tap on Facebook. Tap on offload apps. This clear the cache but keeps your profile data. Then tap reinstall app. Fix 3. Reset location permissions. You have to open your phone setting, then tap on apps, Facebook, permission, then tap on location. Select don't allow or turn it off. Wait for 10 seconds and change the setting back to allow while using the app. Toggle use precise location to turn on. Fix 4. Log out of other devices. Open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon 3 lines or a profile picture. Scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy and Setting. Then tap on Account Center box at the top. Tap on Password and Security and tap where you logged in. Tap your account, scroll to the bottom and choose the device to log out. Select all the older or unrecognized device and tap Log out. Fix 5. Perform a fresh reinstall. Press and hold the Facebook icon on your home screen. Tap delete or uninstall. Turn off your phone completely and wait for 30 seconds. Then turn your phone back on. Go to the Google Play Store on Android or Apple App Store on iPhone. Search for Facebook and tap install. Log in back into your account and open dating. Thanks for watching.